Hey lovelies, welcome back to Emaluji's Kitchen. I want to use this opportunity to wish you a very happy and prosperous new year. May God bless the works of your hand this year. I also want to thank you for your support so far. Thanks for subscribing and of course watching my videos. I hope you've been learning one or two things from them. And I also want to beg those who have not subscribed yet, kindly hit the subscribe button and of course the bell icon so that whenever new videos drop, you'll be the first to be notified. Well, today we are going to be making a drink called TigerNut Drink or Kunu in Nigeria. TigerNut Drink is a simple, delicious and nutritious drink that is common to the Nigerian people. It is made with dates, tiger nuts and coconut. You can add ginger to yours if you like. It gives it a good aroma. So I like to make mine at home because of hygiene purpose. I encourage you to also make yours at home and then tell me how it all went in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this process. So let's get started. So like I said, we are using tiger nuts, dates and coconut to make our drink. I'm not going to be adding ginger because I don't want to, but if you want, you can add ginger to yours. It gives it a very good taste. So this is how to prepare your dates. You open it up. Usually they come with seeds, so you open it up and bring out the seed in it. And then sometimes you notice that when you open the dates, there is insects in it. So what you do is just wash up the insect instead of throwing it away, and you're good to go. So you open them up like this and bring out the seeds in them before blending. So this is it. So after bringing out the seeds, this is what you have. Your date is ready to be used. Yeah, your date is ready to be used. You can see how neat it looks. It has been washed and all seeds removed. Tiger nut has been washed as well. All dirt picked out. Coconut has been broken, removed from the shell. So this is what you have all ready to be used. So my people, like I said, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. So right now I'm going to be dicing the coconut. Sometimes I do grate it, but in this video I'll be dicing it. Whether you dice or grate is the same thing. It's just to make it easier to blend. So I will cut it into small pieces like this before I put it into the blender. And then after dicing, this is what you have. So we are going to go quickly and put everything into the blender. So here is a quick run through after preparing all the ingredients we are going to be using. So we have our diced coconut already. We have our washed tiger nuts and of course the dates. So yeah, all the ingredients, people. We are going to be putting everything straight into the blender and we're going to be blending it. You blend until it has formed a puree before you can put it into the sieve and sieve it. That's everything together. We are ready to blend now. Okay. So the TigerNut is already in the blender. We'll now add the coconut as well as the dates. Going to add enough water to be able to blend it, otherwise it will not allow you to blend it. So you must add enough water to it before it can blend properly. If you notice, in between we still needed to add more water. So that's how this works. It blends with a lot of water, not little, a lot of it. And you can blend this at home as well. You don't have to take it outside. So you're going to allow it to blend. Let it crush very well until it becomes like a puree form. That is it. You blend until it is smooth enough before you can start sieving. You don't have to pour everything into the blender at once. Just put the quantity that will be enough at the moment. And after that, you can pour it out and blend another one. So after blending, you pour the puree into a sieve and you begin to sieve it gradually until all the juice is sieved out. You can also, there is a sieve cloth, a chiffon cloth that is used for this purpose as well. That is the type that you use when you want to make pap, that is akamu. You can use that cloth to sieve it as well. I have it at home, but I didn't use it. I decided to use this one. So this one does a good job as well. So usually what I do is that after sieving out the juice the first time, I pour the shaft into the blender again and reblend it in order to get the remainder of the juice. So after sieving it, this is what we have. That's the juice right there. You can go ahead and drink it as it is, room temperature, or you refrigerate. You can put it in a cup and put in the fridge, or put in a bottle and put in the fridge. It's better to put it in the fridge. That's the lower part of the fridge instead of the freezer. Let it just sit there for some minutes and then bring it out chilled. You will enjoy it better than taking it room temperature. This is a very nice and nutritious drink, good for both male and female. Does a lot of things. You can check it out on Google. So thank you, lovelies, for watching. I'm grateful that you are here with me, and please do subscribe and click the bell icon for every new video that drops. I hope to see you soon. Thank you. I hope you make yours soon as well.